If you think markets are trading pretty choppy today, you're not the only one. So let me explain exactly what is going on. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. So initial claims and continuing claims report was released today. Initial claims are the number of people that are filing for unemployment for the first time. This came in at 225,000 people filed for unemployment for the first time when there was an expectation of 222,000. Again, a little bit more than what was expected. So does that show that there is a slowdown in our labor market? We're going to see tomorrow, and that's going to be the main focus of this video, what the market is expecting for tomorrow. So we also had continuing claims, which are the number of people that continue to file for unemployment, and based off of the prior to this week, we did come in a little bit lower. So overall, people who continue to file for unemployment a little bit lower. Now, when it comes down to tomorrow, again, please feel free to do your own due diligence. The big focus is non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate. A lot of you guys know that the Federal Reserve shifted their focus lately. Instead of it being inflation when inflation was at 40-year highs, when it was at 9.1%, inflation is not so much of a concern as of now as much as the labor market. We want to make sure, according to the Federal Reserve, that unemployment does not go up more than 4.4%. Feel free to watch Jerome Powell as he stated that they have no expectation, they have not factored in that the unemployment rate will go higher than 4.4%. The crazy thing about this is that we're currently at 4.2%. So there's not a lot of margin for error. So we will see, right? And that's what a lot of these articles are saying. So tomorrow can be a very significant day based off of that economic data that is shared on the unemployment rate. So again, tomorrow at 8 a.m., the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics will again include the non-farm payroll for the month of September. But again, the really big focus is going to be that unemployment rate. And that is also going to be released, if I'm not mistaken, unemployment rate, which is 1 hour before the market opens. So if you see a very quick shift of direction, a very quick rally or sell-off 1 hour before the market opens, I don't want you to ask, well, what just happened? I want you to be able to actually go on these economic reports and be able to see that, oh, okay, non-farm payroll either came in above or below, or it was the unemployment rate that came in above or below the actual expectation of what the market was factoring in. Remember, as long as it doesn't come in worse than what was expected, the market should be good. But if it does, then get ready for some selling pressure. And what I mean by the market isn't doing much today, I'm not talking about Nvidia. Nvidia had a really nice rally, but it already looks like it's lagging. It's more of NASDAQ. And again, maybe it's just me, but on the 5-minute time frame, we can see that for the past few days, we've kind of just been trading sideways. The same highs, the same lows, not really showing much signs of progress. If you look at it on the 30-minute time frame, it begins to be a little bit more clear. So if you feel that the market has not really been doing much, you are correct. You haven't been missing out on much. It's the same resistance range, the same support range, and tomorrow, hopefully, we can see a potential break above or break below so we can choose to go long or to go short. So I'll make sure that I keep you guys up to date, and I want to remind you again, if you guys want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, it's going to be that second link in the description down below. I trade live every single morning, normally at market open, so whenever it is that you feel like you are ready, I'd love to have you there. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to comment down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.